It's funny how things intertwine and similar concepts in different fields can intertwine and help you in life. You know, a lot of people want advice on social media. How do I grow a following on YouTube, on Facebook, on Vine, on Instagram, on Twitter? How do I succeed in business? You know, Albert Einstein said the most powerful thing in the world was exponentials. So, what is something that's exponential? But basically, it's a snowball. Think of a snowball slowly rolling down a mountain. It starts off very slow, it's a tiny, but slowly, as it builds momentum, it grows and grows and grows and grows and grows even bigger. The hardest part is usually at the very start when you're winding up that snowball. The same effect occurs throughout life in so many different aspects. It's basically how exponentials work. You know, initially it's very, very hard. The first 1,000 YouTube followers are very, very tough. But then once you get there, the next 1,000 is much easier. And then the next 1,000 is much easier than that. The same thing holds true for Facebook fans, Twitter fans, Instagram fans, because they kind of build on themselves. Warren Buffett understood this in business, and that's why he went into investing, because if he knew that he could get a consistent compound return of 10%, 20%, 30% every single year, maybe for the first 10 years, you're not making that much money. But then on your 30th year, your 40th year, your 50th year, you're making tons of money. If you make 10% return on $10 billion, that's a lot of money. That's in the millions. So you have to get that flywheel spinning. And the same thing holds true in a lot of other areas in life. If you can get that first sale, then you can get that second sale. If you can get that second sale, then you are starting to validate your product, and it's actually something people are willing to pay for, rather than something that's just like, you know, an idea. Then once you get your 10th sale, it goes on from there. So here's the big thing. Most people, they give up because the initial grind is tough. They expect millions of followers or even thousands of followers on their first thing. And they're not content with just one person viewing it. They're not content with just, 10 people enjoying my stuff. And they're not content with just one new person finding your stuff every day. And they give up hope. They stop being consistent. They give up faith. And that's the big issue. If you can keep it going, if you can keep it rolling, and you're delighted about that small initial gain, the rest will come with time. Now, is this the entire keys to everything in life? No. In fact, there's more to it than just that. I mean, arguably, better content, better skills help out a lot. You know, it's very tough to get 10% return in, you know, investing. Warren Buffett, he knocked it out of the park, 50% return consistently. Not a lot of people can even keep it up consistently for so long. He kept it up. Most money managers lose money. So you have to realize that. You know, there is a bit of talent and skill involved. There's certain people who are just really good at YouTube, and their content after releasing like 2 videos gets decent traction. Maybe not millions of views, but they get 10,000 views. And for me, that's a lot. My first 100 videos, they got about like 5 views each. No one watched them. And that's very frustrating. I wanted to give up. But at the same time, you know, there's certain things that you can have. You know, some of the top YouTubers and top influencers I studied, like PewDiePie, now he has 40 million subscribers. Jacksepticeye, there's countless of them. They were happy just to get one new subscriber. They were enthralled with just one new viewer. They were happy about that. Shay Carl, one of the most well-known vloggers on YouTube, he was happy just to hit 100. So if you don't have that excitement, that enjoyment of what you do, then maybe you don't, it's not for you. Now, is that the only thing? No. There's a lot more to like figuring out, well, is this something that's valuable? How can I make this better? But these are things that you can start adopting. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.